it's like.
I'm not sure you can see it in that video. Oh, you can. Okay, there it goes.
I don't think this car was meant to do that.
Randy.
If it's a reason in the law, get involved, then we never get it summed up. Never put your gun up and come around me. I go to war with niggas round the corner from round me. You can front round me, but I read through that with a million. I ain't talking about no C